everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing my June 2018 Lola Beauty Box, and I'm about to head out on vacation. We're actually flying out tomorrow, so I'm very happy this finally came. If it hadn't come tonight, I was not going to be able to unbox this for you this month, but luckily it showed up in the mail today, and we're going to get going. So let's just dig into it. I'm happy it came before I left for vacation because I would have been very sad if it hadn't. All right, here we go. We're gonna open the box, and it's got a lot of pink little snakes and some products. And do I have a card? There it is. It's in here. Last month I think I was missing my card. So there's the card. It looks like the theme this month is Beauty is Universal. There's the card. There are 5 products in the box this month. They are all listed on the back, so I will be referring to that as I pull things out of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this first thing that is right on top. It's from a company called Kaylin, and it is Just Mineral Eye Polish. I guess that is like a liquid eyeshadow? So I'm going to pull this out of the box and take a look. Maybe. I think I have to take it out the bottom because the bottle is shaped weird. There you go. So that's what the bottle looks like. So it does have to come out the bottom, not the top. And it just says Kaylin Just Mineral Eye Polish on it. It's got a lot of glitter on it though. Okay, it looks like it is just straight up glitter, and it also looks like it's empty. Alright, there it is on my hand. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, if the camera will pick it up. It looks like it's trying to adjust. There it is. You can see it there on my hand. Let's go ahead and see what the card says. It's pretty, but it is everywhere. I'm getting it everywhere. Okay, the card says this is the Kaylin Cosmetics Just Mineral Eye Polish in the shade Bronze. It is a pretty shade. This is made with 100% raw mineral powder. This highly pigmented satiny powder not only colors your eyes with shimmery, gorgeous hues, but is also safe to wear long hours. Its easy to use built-in sponge tip allows smooth application and seamless blending of colors. This Just Mineral Eye Polish can be used as an eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lip, or nails. Okay, that's different. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the box. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. I've never seen anything like this though, but it is the shade Bronze, like I said. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the next item out, which is right here. This is glowbyglory.com. Looks like it says it's an every matte liquid lipstick for every glow girl and glow boy's fave. Doesn't say a shade on the outside at all. All right, here's the box. And let's see if I can get it out without making too much of a mess. There we go. Okay, well, it's a pretty shade. It looks like the shade is called Honey Bun. And this is, I guess their lipstick is called Glow Sticks. There it is. It's definitely a shade I will wear. The applicator is kind of weird. It's really long. You can see that. And that is very, very liquidy. Very liquidy. But there it is. It's very, very... It's actually kind of on the dark side for me. But it's not bad. I would wear it given the right eye look. I'm going to try to leave that on there, but it's very goopy, so I'm going to try, but if it starts getting everywhere, I'm wiping it off. All right, I went ahead and put that back in its box. Okay, go ahead and pull the next thing out of here. Okay, so this is from Hikari, and it says it's a mascara. I assume it's in the shade Jet, Actually, I did not read the lipstick, so let me do that first. So this says it's Glow by Glory Glow Sticks in the shade Honey Bun. She's a bad mama jamma. Bad mama jamma? From her head down to her toes. She'll be the perfect little purse nugget and she'll wow the crowd. This girl's got pigment that packs a punch. Pair her with confidence and high heels, which I never wear, and you'll be the sweetest thing walking. Treat your sweetheart with your new sweetheart gloss sticks. She's full coverage, comfortable, and long lasting. Worried about your gloss sticks transferring? Don't fret, she'll stay put. We'll see. All right, this next item is like I said, from Hikari. It is a mascara. And it says it's in the shade Jet. I'm not going to actually open this because I've got a lot of mascaras open right now. So that's the packaging. It's kind of nice. But the shade looks almost like it's a charcoal rather than a black. And it looks like it on the bottom here. You can see that. But then also on the box right there it says Jet. And it's almost like a gray or a charcoal color. So I'll have to give that a try at some point. Not right now because, like I said, I just had way too many mascaras open. But let's see what the card says. This is from Hikari Cosmetics. It's the mascara. It creates fuller standout lashes. This easy-to-use handle and our strengthening brush fan out your lashes to create a bold statement. Our mascara comes in 2 different colors for those that prefer more than one option. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get the next item out of here, which is masks. There are 3 masks in here. It's from a brand called Masquerade. There they are. That's cute that it's called Masquerade. It's very cute. So, all right. So I'm kind of cool that we got 3 of them. So this first one is the All-Nighter. It's Awaken, Replenish, and Refresh. It's a hydrating facial sheet mask. And then we've got Detox Diva. I'm sorry, that one right there is the All-Nighter. And then Detox Diva, which cleanse, exfoliate, and detoxify. Again, it's a hydrating facial mask. It's that one right there. And then the last one is Beauty Restore. Restore, regenerate, and repair. And it's that one right there. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and read the card. This is from Masquerade Sheet Mask. It's the All-Nighter, the Beauty Restorer, and the Detox Diva. So it has 3 different bullet points for the 3 different masks. You apply the All-Nighter Hydrating Sheet Mask to awaken, refresh, and replenish your skin. The Beauty Restore Hydrating Sheet Mask formula goes to work to restore, regenerate, and repair your skin, leaving it silky smooth and supple by morning. Cleanse, exfoliate, and detoxify with a Detox Diva Hydrating Sheet Mask that helps to minimize pores, absorb impurities, and protect from toxins and free radicals without removing your skin's essential natural oils. There you go. Okay. So there's one more item in here. Let me go ahead and pull this out. It is buried under all the little pink snakes. All right, so this is from Beauty Creations. It is a palette called Tease Me. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and we'll see what the colors look like. Oh, that's pretty. So these shades remind me a lot of the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. But if you look at that, it's just a very rosy, rose gold palette. Like I said, it gives me very much a Soft Glam type of feel. So these are definitely shades I will wear. I will definitely give it a try. I'm hoping that the formula is good because these are definitely my shades. There's browns, but then there's also pinks and reds. So, all right. That's pretty cool. It's not very expensive either. This one says it's $18 for this palette. So, all right, we got a full-size palette, 3 sheet masks, which is nice, the mascara, the lip gloss, and then the eye polish, which is very interesting. The lipstick did not dry down yet. I mean, it is still very, very wet. So, I mean, I know it's only been a couple of minutes, but I don't know how long it's going to take to dry because that is a very wet formula. But it definitely, like, got on my hand, and it's actually kind of staining my hand a little bit. All right. Okay, so overall, there we go. Even though the products in this box are not like high priced items, I can actually write down the prices for you. So the sheet masks, the total value is $15. The palette is $18. The gloss sticks, or the lip product, is $18. The eye polish is $15, and then the mascara is $15 as well. So like $81-ish, $81 value. This is a $21 per month box. So it's not bad. It's not a bad value. So yeah, I'm actually really not upset with this. There are some months that I'm really upset with Lola. That's not, I don't feel that it's worth the $21. But if that palette that's in here is any quality at all, like decent quality at all, I would say that this product is definitely, this box this month is definitely worth it. You know, I've got the masks, which probably won't be my July face mask videos, but maybe our August, John and I will do this, because it is 10 to 20 minutes, and we like to stick around the 10 to 20 minute mark, 10 to 15 actually. So maybe we will use those for our August face masks, because this came so late this month that we've already recorded July's face masks. And the eye polish is kind of neat too. I'm going to have to give that a try. Very versatile. So that is my video this month. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. I am getting closer and closer to 400 subscribers every single day, and I'm getting prepared for another giveaway at 400 subscribers. So very, very soon, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. If you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I am about to go on vacation, like I said, and my plan is to spend at least a little bit of time on vacation doing comments, so I hope to catch up. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!